Welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing the cheapest titanium exhaust that you will find out there. This is from Alibaba. It is a double X pipe. I think the 2X's definitely help smooth out the sound and give you a nice higher pitched tone, and it's titanium, which also will give you an exotic high pitched tone, which is what we want. Got 2 resonators for controlling the rasp, and with this setup it's customizable. You just talk to the seller and you ask him what do you want. So we got 2 X pipes and the resonators there. These are the test pipes. These are the valve mufflers. I got the vacuum ones, but you can also do electronic if you'd like. Connecting pipes, and we've got some titanium exhaust tips. These are burnt blue, just to kind of match the blue theme of our car. This is the remote here. It looks like the Valvetronic remote. It's made out of aluminum. It's hefty, heavyweight, and the buttons are top and bottom. Comes with batteries as well. I have a video on how to install this setup, so I'll just link the video there in the description if you need it, and also up on the top right hand corner if you want an in-depth install guide on how to set all this up. But pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and get it on the car, and then we're going to go ahead and take some sound clips and see how it sounds. Okay, so here are the stainless steel Alibaba mufflers, and those are the titanium mufflers from Alibaba. They weigh 10 pounds on each side with the connecting pipes and the titanium exhaust tips, so 20 pounds total. This side is also pretty light compared to OEM, but heavier than these two, so I'm going to weigh these one side each and see how much it weighs compared to the titanium. So this muffler here is 20 pounds times 2 because we have 2 of them, so that's 40 pounds versus the titanium mufflers are 10 pounds each, so it's 20 pounds. This is 2 times heavier than the titanium, so that means that the titanium is saving us a lot of weight, which in turn helps the E93, which weighs a ton. Okay, it is nighttime and I've finally got it installed. The full exhaust, titanium, and it is the cheapest titanium exhaust you can find. Here's the fitment right here, pretty good, and same on this side. I like that you can adjust the tips forward and back a little bit, and there's the nice burnt blue titanium color. Very lightweight, very easy to install. Does sound higher pitched, and the big reason why is because the titanium pipes are thinner, so you know those walls are thinner. I think the titanium makes a big difference, and it's well worth the price and the upgrade. It sounds better, it sounds cleaner, like a race car, high pitched. It's also lightweight, and it looks really cool. amazing. I really am very happy with this exhaust. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to buy one for yourself. This is from Alibaba. Not only does it sound and look amazing, but it's also very affordable. And I think it's well worth it if you compared to buying Bomiz or Valvetronic, which are from the same company in China. Might as well pay the cheaper price, don't pay the markup, right? Yeah, it's amazing. With the valves closed, it's really quiet and very daily drivable. And it's still fun. A lot of it is induction noise now, but it still sounds exotic. It's just much quieter and definitely better for neighbors, and you know, doesn't get you in trouble with the cops. Open or closed, it sounds good. Normally, valves closed sounds pretty terrible on most valve exhausts, but this one sounds good. This is what the exhaust looks like on the inside. This is the exhaust underneath. Looks very, very unique, very cool. Love the burnt titanium look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good evening.